Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, September 18th, 2014. In weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 70 and a low of 51, with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance
to the flag for the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs won 3-1 against the Cincinnati Reds, and the White Sox lost to the Kansas City Royals with a score of 6-2. Band and orchestra lessons will not be meeting today. Electives for music and primary art only will not be meeting today, but intermediate art will still meet at lunchtime recess. Today is Pizza Thursday. Get your slice at lunchtime just for $2. 6th grade, don't forget the kickball tournament is after school today. Here is today's fun fact. Mars has a lower gravity than Earth, so a person weighing 200 pounds on Earth would only weigh 76 pounds on Mars. That's all for today. Have a thoughtful Thursday.